How to recover Brawl Stars account. So I'm going to show you a one method here on how are you going to recover your Brawl Stars account. So first, you just have to open any web browser. Let's just say your Google web browser, and then look for Brawl Stars support. And as you can see here, they're giving you methods and ways on how are you going to recover your account. First is if your account is connected to a Supercell ID, you might be able to recover it yourself. And if this one is not connected to your Supercell ID, then you just have to prepare a different or new email address and follow step two, which is this one. So once you've got an email address or new email address, then connect your email address to your game. Open your game and go to settings, select help and support option, and tap the blue message bubble to contact us. And then you have to select one, account recovery and Supercell ID. Number two, recover my account. This will start a process during which they will ask you a series of questions to confirm that the account you're trying to recover is indeed yours. Once it is confirmed that you are the owner of the account in question, even if you have a new email address, then they will recover it and give it back to you. If you want to look for their form directly, you just have to go to the search bar and then search for form or any other concerns that you want to address. So there are tons of articles here that can help you just in case you encounter some problems in your Brawl Stars account. So all you have to do is to scroll down or go to the search bar to look for that specific problem you're having or dealing with. So I really hope that this video somehow helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.